21st of June, International Day of Yoga. The International Day of Yoga has been celebrated annually on June 21 since 2015, following its inception in the United Nations General Assembly in 2014. Yoga is a physical, mental and spiritual practice which originated in India. The Indian Prime Minister, Narendra Modi, in his UN address in 2014, had suggested the date of June 21, as it is the longest day of the year in the Northern Hemisphere and shares a special significance in many parts of the world. 21st of June, World Hydrography Day. World Hydrography Day, 21st of June, was adopted by the International Hydrographic Organization as an annual celebration to publicize the work of hydrographers and the importance of hydrography. The International Hydrographic Bureau was established in 1921 for the purpose of providing a mechanism for consultation between governments on such matters as technical standards, safe navigation and the protection of the marine environment. In 1970 the name was changed to the International Hydrographic Organization, IHO. The IHO is actively engaged in developing standards and interoperability, particularly in relation to the challenges brought about by digital technologies. In 2005 the IHO adopted the concept of a World Hydrography Day, which was welcomed by the United Nations General Assembly in Resolution A/RE/60/30 Oceans and the Law of the Sea. The date chosen for World Hydrography Day is the anniversary of the founding of the International Hydrographic Organization. June 21, 1798, Battle of Vinegar Hill. The Battle of Vinegar Hill was an engagement during the Irish Rebellion of 1798 on June 21, 1798, when over 13,000 British soldiers launched an attack on Vinegar Hill outside Enniscorthy, County Wexford, the largest camp and headquarters of the Wexford United Irishmen. It marked a turning point in the rebellion, as it was the last attempt by the United Irishmen to hold and defend ground against the British military. The battle was actually fought in two locations, on Vinegar Hill itself, and in the streets of nearby Enniscorthy. June 21, 1621. Old Town Square Execution. Old Town Square Execution was the execution of 27 Bohemian leaders, 3 noblemen, 7 knights and 17 burghers, of the Bohemian Revolt by the Austrian House of Habsburg that took place on June 21, 1621 at the Old Town Square in Prague. After the Prague defenestration in 1618 and subsequent Protestant uprising of the Bohemian estates against the Catholic Habsburgs resulted in 30 Years' War and a final defeat in the Battle of White Mountain, Habsburgs took their revenge and executed some of the key leaders of the uprising, although with some others the punishment was reduced and some were pardoned.